So it's currently 5:54 a.m. A couple hours ago, I just uploaded the 240, like that kind of mini reveal video. So I was gonna do a huge video, but I realized it's gonna take longer than expected because the car took longer than expected. I still actually don't have the carbon hood. So yeah, my body shop guy, he just did a quick paint job on the hood. So if you look closely at my 240 in person, the hood has some waves in it and like some scratches. It's because it was barely sanded. It probably wasn't even primered. And then it was just painted blue to be painted blue so we could shoot. So that is why I uploaded like kind of a regular edit that I normally do, but not some crazy video like I always said I was gonna do for the 240 when it was done. I still have plans to do that 100%, but because of the time frame, and I didn't want to, sorry, see Will's texting me. I didn't want to just like leave you guys in the dark on what color the 240 has or was. That's why we uploaded that video. So anyways, right now, today we are going to be shooting Nico's car, that E46 M3, just actually photos, not videos. So it's actually before sunrise right now, so I'm waiting for Will, and then we're gonna go out to meet Nico. But after that, I'm gonna be preparing my 240 because I'm going to a car meet on Sunday, which is tomorrow, revealing the car there to all the rest of my friends, or most of my friends, and we'll be filming another edit there. Again, not related to the full like really cinematic edit that I wanted to shoot. That'll come in time, because yeah, I did make a whole video plan and wrote an outline for it and everything to a specific song. So I definitely still want to make use of all that work I put in preparing for that video. But yeah, today we're just gonna be shooting some photos and then preparing the 240. I gotta change some fluids. Actually, hear Christian pulling up right now. Gotta change some fluids. I gotta put the passenger seat back in just to clean up the interior in general. And then yeah, so right now we're just gonna be shooting an M3 for sunrise, and I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. Frickin' baby blue gang, where you at? This is actually grabber blue, but it's pretty similar to my Subaru Hyper Blue.
What is that?
You can take the bump. McDonald's has really good speed bumps. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. You just hit everything. Is there another one? I don't want to go any further. Oh my gosh. That's a curve. This is a speed bump. Come on, guys. You're exhausting like your frame at the same time. We just grinded the entire I can feel my car slide off the other side of it. Oh my god. Oh, there's not another one. You're good. Look like a gym trainer.
What?
Gym trainer.
Oh, what can I say, man? I'm gonna fake it till you make it.
Alright, so that's the bridge.
Oh yeah.
What do we want to do? We don't have a hatch to shoot out the rear of, so kind of just gotta go slow and shoot at like one of.
Yeah, you gotta.
We can put the top down. Well, yeah, I know, but I can't be seatbelted down. The shooter has to be like above. Well, yeah, but I'm saying we can't be flying at like 40 miles an hour across the bridge. 40 miles an hour, just standing up outside the car. Well, he just has to stay behind you, so Nico can just match your speed.
Shall I try to adapt to cruise control? Just like, hey. It's so convenient.
Alright, I'm gonna put my top down. Alright, so I just got some shots of Nico rolling behind us, and now Christian, we switched positions. Now Christian's gonna get some shots as well on his camera. I'll insert some right now. How are the shots? Really big. You can see that. I'm crying. We'll put some in. Yeah, every time we stick our face out of the car, it's pretty brisk outside right now, so we just start crying. Oh god. How many cameras? Too many cameras here.
That was weird. I heard myself hang up and then I heard it over there. Like, oh dude.
It probably is louder now.
Fuck. Why you go quiet? Police
Plan is lining up behind him.
So where do you want me to? How do you want me to
Just
angle?
go next to me.
Huh?
Same angle I did next to me.
I can't get next to you.
That's why I was really surprised. You said you could do this. Alright,
I'm
here.
pointing towards the sun. The sun's that way.
Yeah, I didn't like the pictures I took from here. Yeah. Dick.
At least we got the pictures on the bridge. Those look sick.
They need more Rocket Bunny though.
Do it.
Just throw it in. I'm not eating that banana anymore. Just putting the soap. My soap. I can't do it. Come on. This feels so rough. Come on, hurry up. Wait, why are you wetting it? Alright. This feels so rough. Just slide it in.
Fuck off.
It's hurting my head.
Fuck off. You're frozen the hell,
It's so blowing. Oh my god. How did that feel? No.
Don't take the mirror.
It's empty. I only had one in the chamber.
Damn it.
Whoa.
That was a neat sound. There's your washer grinding up.
Alright, so the 240, I don't want to jinx it, like 2 minutes away from Christian's house, but we've already, or almost made it to Christian's house. We're just going to change the fluids and clean up the car a little bit, and then tomorrow just getting it ready for Supercar Sunday.
So I just spent about the last maybe hour or so just getting this car more road ready. I did that by adding the missing bolts to the bell housing between the engine and the transmission. And I do now have front blinkers that are both functioning. That looks pretty sick. I do actually like, let me turn these off for a sec. I do actually like the smoked out front tail lights. I think they look pretty good. And then I think the last thing I need to take care of today is just the passenger seat. So I do have another Sprint now. It's just not in the optimal position, so I just need to adjust the rails on the bottom to bring it away from the roll bar, just forward like maybe 6 inches or so, just to make the passenger, because I just further away from the bars, because that's too close. Alright, so what I did is just remove the sliders, so I'm just gonna mock it up in the actual car and bolt down the rails. And then I'll be able to tighten the side brackets and then adjust the actual seating position, because the Street Faction rails are actually super adjustable and you can slide the seat a good like maybe 3 inches or so. I do have them in the more forward position on the base as well. So the passenger seat is now in again. It's got a couple inches of clearance from the roll bar. It's pretty close to my driver's seat, just maybe an inch or two further back for taller people that may ride in my car in the future. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, actually, it's Supercar Sunday. yeah, I'll be filming an edit on this car. A bunch of my friends will be there, so that should be actually really fun. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.